Hey guys, what's happening there? I'm here at the Anjou train station here in Anjou, Quebec, and this is busy Henri Bourassa Boulevard. Look at the smoke coming out of this thing. Holy shit, man! Yeah, so this is very busy Henri Bourassa Boulevard here, which basically goes from one tip of the island to the other almost. And yeah, let's make our way to Gare Anjou. Alright, let's make our way there. Yeah, reception hall here. I think I went to this reception hall once. I think I did. Quite a few years ago. Yeah, it might be cold, but you know, it's warm, you know. It might be no, sorry, it's cold, but I mean at least the sun's out, you know. It heats things up a bit, you know. Oh, I know why that police car stopped there. It's because he's watching for people who speed or don't stop. I thought they were gonna talk to me, but nope. Here's your parking here. Look at this old Dodge Spirit. Look at this thing. Holy shit, man! Look at this. How old do you think this car is? 30 years old easily? Wow, she's in beautiful condition. That's for you, Elton. Alright. I have to admit, Anjou train station is one of my favorite stations on this line because the way how it's designed. Yeah, we're in an industrial part of Anjou here. Yeah, and down a bit down there is Highway 25, a very busy highway that connects Montreal and Laval. And my luck had really turned out. I took a 2002 on the 449 route. Yeah. I have no idea why they built this, and it's not even being used. These bus stations here. I guess it's only really for the alternative bus lines, you know. When the service is down, they bring the buses here and all that, I'm guessing. Yeah. Here's your board. Yeah. So you have your parking here. There's your platform for the Via Rail trains, which are cancelled due to protests in support of the BC pipeline and all that. Yeah, alright. Yep, been a long time since I've been at this station. Let's make our way down. Yep. Fuck, do you think that camera's big enough, man? Jesus. That's just the way how it is. Yeah, it's a very unique station. Make our way up here. Did I even tell you guys we were on the MASCOUCHE line? Excuse me. Yep. Alright, so that's it guys, the Anjou train station. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And here is the Anjou train station in photos. Thank you.